In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. Connecting PayPal to Zapier is a straightforward process that can streamline your business workflows, save you time, and help automate repetitive tasks. So, whether you're looking to automate your payment notifications or manage transactions more efficiently, you're in the right place. First, you'll want to head over to Zapier's website. So open your browser and go to Zapier.com. You should see the home page of Zapier once you log in. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. Look for the section labeled App Connections. This is where we'll manage the connections between various apps, including PayPal. Click on App Connections, and this will take you to a page that shows all the apps you can connect with Zapier. Next, you're going to want to add a new connection, so locate the button that says Add Connection. This button is usually at the top of the page, and when you click on it, a small search bar will appear. Now it's time to search for PayPal. This process is super easy. Just type PayPal into the search bar. Once you've typed that in, PayPal should pop up in the results. It's essential to click on PayPal to select it, so you're moving in the right direction. A prompt will appear asking you to connect your PayPal account. At this point, you might need to log into your PayPal account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions Zapier needs to access your PayPal data. After you've logged in, you'll need to click on Add Connection again. This allows Zapier to officially connect to your PayPal account. It's a simple step, but important for ensuring everything works smoothly. Now to complete the connection, click Add Connection one more time. Yes, I know it feels a bit repetitive, but trust me, this will ensure that everything is properly set up and connected. Once you do this, you should see your PayPal account listed within your Zapier connections. And voila! You've successfully connected PayPal to Zapier. Now you can start creating zaps to automate your workflow. For instance, you could create a zap that automatically sends a thank you email whenever someone makes a payment via PayPal. The possibilities are endless. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Remember, automating these tasks can save you a lot of time in the long run, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your business. So that's it for today's tutorial on connecting PayPal to Zapier. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.